So if you watched Fidget Compilation 3, then keep watching. If you didn't watch Fidget Compilation 3, go watch it. So the way to make a DIY fidget like I did is use thin cardboard or thick paper. If you don't have thick paper, then you can also just use folded paper. Next, cut out a hole that is bigger than the cardboard hole. This is good because you don't want it to be too small. Then take some tape and tape it on the back. When you're done, it should look something like this. If you don't want to make them, you can buy them from me. Comment down below if you want one. If you want to make a pizza dimple, draw a pizza, then cut holes in them. Then put these in, and you're all done. Also, you can buy this. You can follow along on this one. So, take a wacky track and make it a plus sign. Then, when you're done, fold up all of the sides. This is kind of a DIY fidget. And then, you push that in, and then you play with this, and it's a snapper. Snappers aren't my favorite things, but this is much better, I feel like. And there's another way how you can make the snapper. Do this. If you want to make this, then you need cardboard, glue, or tape, and beads and a paper clip. So you unroll the paper clip into kind of an arch. Then if you're using tape, poke a hole where it slightly sticks out. Then you put tape on the bottom and tape on the top. And then you have it. If you're using glue, put it on the cardboard and stick the paper clip down. Let it dry, and then on the other side, you can put the beads on. So I put 2 on, but you can put however much you want. You can also decorate it. This is what I did. If you want this, just say it in the comments. And you can make your own ideas too, just like I did. So take a piece of paper and cut it about this thin. Then push it into this and put a bead on it. Tell me some of the things that you came up with. If you want to buy this from me, then you can. Just say it in the comments. And finally, tell me which one is your favorite.